Isn't this incredible? With this BI tool, you can gain visibility like never before.
This is amazing. Wouldn't it be even better if we could plan directly here? Imagine integrating planning with the analytics right inside your BI.
Good news! You don't have to imagine it. With innovative solutions from leading vendors, planning in your BI tool is now a reality.
Aimplan,
Defacto Global,
Power On,
Lumel,
Acterys,
Join us this March for the BI Analytics Showcase.
see these vendors in action and discover how you can transform your decision-making processes. Don't miss your chance to explore the future of analytics and planning.
Transform your analytics, reimagine your plannings.
See you at the BI and Analytics Planning Showcase, March 20th.